The Data Scientist course is an amazing journey, and we are thrilled to have you on board. This is the first attempt, to the best of our knowledge, at creating a program starting from the very basics. It will teach you the foundations of mathematics and statistics, and then gradually continue with advanced statistical analysis and machine learning in Python. Before we dive into the content, I would like to share a few words about me and Ilya, who co-authored this course. So, I am Martin, and I love the fact that I have been a Udemy teacher for 2 years now. My core areas of expertise are business intelligence, Python, and SQL programming. I love interacting with students, and it truly makes my day when I see that I have received a 5-star review from a happy student. My colleague Ilya is a mathematical whiz kid, and he loves teaching machine and deep learning. His quantitative background and ability to break complex topics into digestible bits make him the perfect teacher for the statistical and machine learning parts of our course. I'm happy we worked together on this project, as this is something we wanted to do ever since we met at university. The Data Scientist program is truly comprehensive. Here's how it is structured. We start off with an intro where we will discuss the world of data science. We explain why data science is important and how it helps businesses stay competitive in this day and age. Then, our training continues by introducing important mathematical and statistical concepts that are essential to do data science. Once we have laid out a solid foundation, you will be ready to learn Python programming. Starting from the very basics, we will build up your skills, and soon you will be able to solve advanced statistics tasks such as clustering, factoring, and carry out different types of regression analysis in Python. Of course, we saved the best for last: building machine and deep learning algorithms. Image recognition, client segmentation, sales forecasting. Our machine learning training is complete and fully real-life oriented. Leveraging Google's state-of-the-art TensorFlow framework, you will be able to build ML algorithms like a pro. To get the most out of this journey, please don't skip any lectures, as we will gradually build on your knowledge. It is essential that you start at the beginning, as there you will lay the foundation you need to tackle the more advanced topics you will find later on in the program. Many of our lessons contain downloadable resources that will help you reinforce what you have learned. Course notes, exercise files, PDF materials, handy notebook files, everything is included and can be downloaded easily. I strongly suggest you complete all the exercises, as they are designed not only for practice, but also an additional source of information that will enhance your data science solving skills. Those of you who complete 50% of the course will receive a gift from us: our private Tableau training. Just post in the course Q&A section saying you've completed 50% of the course, and we will send you a secret link to the Tableau course. Moreover, feel free to post in Q&A if you experience difficulties, would like to ask a question, or simply want to share something with the community. We are always happy to hear from you. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's dive straight in and begin this journey together.